Hello friends, welcome again at way2testing.com and my name is Chandan. This is the part 2 of the data driven framework. In my previous tutorial I have told you how to achieve the data driven framework or how to create the data driven framework using data provider annotation, which is a text ng annotation. You can also create a data driven framework, which is a very less useful and much more useful is that when you interact with the some file which is located in your machine. Suppose that we have some scenario like that there is some file XLS file in my machine and I want to fetch that data from the XLS file. I enter some web page. Suppose that I have a XLS file text data. I have to get that data from there and I want to enter that data in the Google and I want to click the submit button. How I will do that? Also, before starting with this interacting with the doc file or XLS file or Excel file, you have to download the Apache POI. Apache POI you can download from my website directly from here, and also you can download from the Selenium website. Also, when you will download the Apache POI, a zip file will be downloaded. You have to extract that zip file and you will get these all files. As like Selenium, you have to import these all files in your Selenium project. Now I will let you know how to create the data driven framework and how to achieve it and how to interact with the files. So let's create a class and inside that we will perform some operation and just create a new class. I will give it name as Gog, uh, Gog, and just click finish because we are interacting with the text ng. So no need to. So as I told you in the initial phase, before working anything, just define your things as global label. So it will be easy to interact with the application, or you have to import the web driver. Oh sorry, D will be capital. Import the web driver. After that you have to create an object for workbook and then seat, then write x ss f workbook. I'm giving it name wb. I have to import this file, then xssff seat, and I will give it simple name seat, and then file input stream, file input stream fis. You have to import this one, also this one. I will explain you these all things. Now just write the annotation of text ng, which is a text, and sorry, define a method public void before text. It I'm just giving a name so that I can easily understand what is going on. But then this one you have to import the text ng annotation also, and then I will create object, and also here you can give the file src main source file. You have to import it. Now let's understand. Suppose that my file is here in my machine, indeed drive study material selenium complete selenium text data. I want to get the data from this file and I want to enter this file data in my Google search page. So first of all I need the path of this location. So I will get the path and this will I will enter in the source, means file. I will create a file object. I will write here src is equal to new file, and I will give the path, complete path of the my file, also this one, and also do something like that. Go to here, rename copy and then paste dot xlsx. And also you have to do one more thing, that Java do not understand the single slash, so you have to make it double slash for each element. And yeah, it's done, and it will be under double quote. So you have given the file to your file. Now just close it. Now what I will do, and now I will enter the input stream. So I will create the object of input stream, new file input stream. Yes, so input stream, and you have to give the path whatever you have written. Add try and catch. I'm surrounding it with try and catch, so that if there is any exception, then it will let me know what is going on. Control X, put it also inside try block. And if you have not seen my tutorial on try and catch a block exception handling, please have a look on that. It will be easy to understand. Now I will create a workbook. So how I will do that? I have created the object here. I have defined the object name here. Just I will write the statement for the object. So XSSF workbook, and inside that you have to pass the file input of stream object reference. And what it is saying, add throw exception. Okay, throw exception. Now you have to get the seat. So to get the seat, you can get it by various ways. I have created the workbook object. If you will hit the enter here, you will see get seat by name, get seat by index, or something else. A lot of things you can get your seat. Seat means seat 1 2 3. So I am using the index because it is failing very rare times. So I am using the first seat, means like that. So if I will open my file, so when I'm saying I'm talking about seat, then I'm talking about this thing, means this thing I'm talking about 0 1 2. So I am writing the 0. If you have some name like Chandan, then you have to use the name. And I will recommend you to follow the indexing because it never fails. Then I have done these all things, and do one more thing. Just uh, catch the exception and print it here, like sys out control space e dot get message. Whatever the message will be here, it will be printed in the exception. Okay, and also suppose that I have a multiple data, how I will interact with that? So I will create a for loop. I will take a int I is equal to 0, then I is less than seat, whatever the seat I have, dot get last column, last row num. So just write here get last row num. The loop will move on till the last row, and then I will say I plus plus. Inside that for loop, what I will do, I will get the data from my seat. What I have done here, I have reached to the my file and my machine, then I have reached to the seat. Now I will get the row column and the value from that seat. How I will do that? I will write it here, a string data is equal to, you can give any name, I have given the string name, then seat dot get row num. First of all I will use get row, get row interim, zeroth row I will get, and then get cell, zeroth cell matlab first row first column, and then I will get the value, get cell string value. What I am doing here, I am just getting the zeroth row zero column value. Now suppose that I want to move it multiple time, so I will use zeroth row instead of I. So it will move on first row, then second, then third, and column will be always 0. So whatever I have done it here. Now let's suppose before test what I need to do, I need to open my Google and enter some value. I need to open my browser and hit the Google. How I will do that? I will first of all, I am writing the before test. I will write a method here also, like public void f. What this method will do, it will open a Firefox and then it will you can say open your URL. Driver is equal to new Firefox driver, and then you have to import it. I think so. Import your Firefox driver, import your before test annotation, and then you have to give the URL. So I will say that driver.navigate to driver.get string. You can say http www.google.com. You have to write it here. Now you have to find the element, search element. I am saying that find my search element. You can say you have to define it as global level, web element search. Then you have to import your web element also, and right here search is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath and dot just find it. We will not enter this value. Oh, sorry, this one. Now before test, what I am doing, I am just navigating to the Google and then I am entering the XPath. How I will do that? I will hit the URL Google here. These all things. And I will inspect that element using Firebug, and after that I will just copy my XPath. So what I have done, I am just saying that to control that, paste it here like that. So we have opened our Firefox, we have entered a URL, and we have found the search element. Now I have to enter the value what I have got here in our Excel sheet. I have to enter this value in my Google. So in my you can say that for each loop, enter the search web element. Oh, sorry, spelling is wrong. SEARCH dot you can say send keys the data of whatever you are getting from here, and then you can say you have to click the submit button, means SEAR dot submit button, and then you can put some weight here like driver dot manage dot timeout dot implicitly wait. If you have not seen my wait tutorial, please have a look on that. I'm giving it 4-second wait, and then time unit dot seconds. these all things, and then uh, I have to use the navigate button here. Travel dot navigate dot. Thanks for watching it.